The Daintree Rainforest meets the ocean. Exotic fruit ice cream. In the waterfall. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday, 4:59. Woke up at 3:15 at the airport. Yeah, we had some luggage issues because I was overweight, but it's fine. Yeah, it's all good. We're flying to Cairns and then going to Port Douglas. I think it's Port Douglas, yeah. And yeah, that's what this vlog's gonna be. Alright, so we made it. We're in the hire car.
It's Bali now.
I know. Hello. I'm riding an electric car, and me and Mum have never driven a hybrid before. Yeah, we went to the shops. And it was raining before, but now we're going to drive to Port. Oh my god, my part! Ooh, I need to stop saying oh my god, I think. Quite hot in here now. Okay, Loki,
Starting route to 38 Mowbray Street.
Flying
Proceed
3
to the
hours
route.
felt longer than driving 6 hours. How come?
Uncomfortable. Should we have some Spotify?
Yeah. So I literally forgot my tripod for both my camera and my phone. That's happened? I know. So literally nothing, I'm just videoing myself. So I had to go to Kmart and get a different one for $30. It's totally different to what I have, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, not bad, I guess. Oh, maybe I can put a camera on here. I don't know if it'll fit, but I don't know. Okay, there's lots of pieces. Okay, that's the light. Now look, you don't actually need the light, but I don't know what this is. Oh. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. What? Oh, holy shit, that's gonna be funny to watch back. Oh, how do you fold it back down? Shit. Okay, this is quite tall. Okay, that goes taller than me. Alright, you guys, I finally figured it out, but I can't even use it because it has USB-C and I don't have a USB-C block. Also, this angle's probably really bad, you probably can take me, but it's fine. So I'm just going to put it to how I'm going to actually use it this trip. Yeah, so now my camera's on the tripod. Pretty cool, guys. But I can literally film you there. And then I can also, it's a bit tilted, but that would be fixed. I can also film my phone underneath at the same time, which is pretty cool, I guess. So yeah, prepare to be sick of me. But I'm not really feeling well at the moment because my stomach is hurting. So that's not ideal, to be honest. I literally put my light on as well for my camera. So cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, so it's now. Oh, here's my mom. What day is it? I don't even know what day it is. Tuesday? Wednesday. I'm going for a walk at Mossman Gorge. This is a little centre. And what's here, Mum? Just like a walking track.
Yes. Suspension bridge.
Yeah.
Some rivers.
Some rivers.
Creeks.
Okay. We need to catch like a little shuttle to go to the walk, the gorge. And yeah.
Breakfast and stuff. So.
Oh yeah.
But it's You won't come when it's really hot and stuff.
Yeah. I think today's actually a good day to walk because at least it's not muggy.
It's done. Swimming today.
Why? Maybe because of the rain, it's polluted.
Do you want to take the window down?
No, she's not focusing right now.
Buffet, you won't get fucking sick.
Mate, I'm gonna. We made it to the lookout.
Quick,
We're trying to be fast so we don't get like tourists.
Oh, poor people.
See.
Yeah, come on, bud.
So just a video for now and then I'll do photos. Okay, now.
I could sit out there where they waded through the other side and do my wee.
Oh, cool. I just have it on video. This is Cape Tribulation Beach. I don't have my sunnies. Turn around. So apparently this is where the rainforest, the Daintree Rainforest meets the ocean. Is this even the Pacific Ocean?
Isn't it Coral Sea?
I don't know. Something, guys, something. Getting some exotic fruit ice cream. My mom's getting it.
Managed to get the ginger nut.
Good morning, you guys. It's Thursday. We're at sunrise and it's quite cold here actually. I'm literally in a keeper flares and a long sleeve and I'm still quite cold. Yeah, it's so strange here. The beach is like so long and flat with like minimal waves, but it's quite nice. And there's so many people awake. Like, you did not get this at home. All these people. Goodness. Today's agenda is getting on a boat and going to the Great Barrier Reef, doing some snorkeling and stuff. That should be really fun. I kind of want to do some like yoga or Pilates right now on the beach while the sun's rising. But I feel like people will judge me. But maybe if I go down the other end, but kind of already at the end. There's like a walk up here that I want to do. Oh. But yeah, I don't know. Anyways, we'll see. Those people just look at me, that's really awkward. It's quite nice.
The bow is now open, so if you would like to venture...
No,
but not too tight. And then...
their mate looks like the female. And we do, so the ones that come up on the west coast will have their own unique song. I just drowned.
Okay, so we literally came back from the snorkeling and boat back and had a quick shower.
Oh my god.
I had time to wash my hair. You know we have right away.
I know. Come on, Belina. You can do it.
Belina. Just, yep. And now we're on the way to a sunset. It's going to be really nice at this hill.
Rex Snail Park.
But we'll see. I don't know. Oh, there's an ice cream van.
No camping. This?
Yeah, a little bit. So guys, we don't need to go down there.
Was it better across the road? Is the sunset dodgy?
Yeah, this is a dodgy sunset compared to what I'm used to. Yeah, you guys, I just got ready into this Cucumber set and I'm gonna go for a little walk around Beach Walk. Going to Curtin Fig Tree.
We're in Curtin Fig National Park.
Huh.
Walk up. Well, I don't like that.
We thought picture versus reality.
Look at the clouds though.
Yeah. Right. Going. I decided to get dressed and go in the waterfall because YOLO. Might only get one opportunity to do this, so we're doing it. It's gonna be freaking cold, guys. I think it's also just that under here. Okay. Oh my god. The wind's making it colder. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold. Oh goodness. Sorry. It's so cold. Look, I don't know if I can make it that far. It's freezing. It's so cold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so cold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so slippery. Okay, ready? Oh, everyone's looking at it. This is really scary. Okay, it's not that bad now. The rocks are really slimy though. I just go for it. I'm just taking towards it. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that bad. It's actually not that bad, but it's really nice.